here we are today. I've got the Paragon coilover wrenches here, and they are going to make the job possible for lowering the C8 at the coilover section, which is right over here. So what I've already done is I've already taken this sleeve off using a screwdriver, wedging it in there, bringing that down, and then once you loosen this one up with the bottom wrench, all you got to do is turn it with your finger. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I would turn it down to probably about 2 or 3 threads showing. Then you're going to use the other coilover wrench to get this one right here down to meet that one, and in the process of doing that, sometimes that will move this down about 1 more rung. You should have about 1, maybe 2 threads still showing. I would get it to about here. I don't know if you can see that. And then start the process of bringing it down, and if this moves down a little bit more, then you're going to tighten it up by going counter rotated. And when you do that, they're going to lock together. Put this piece back up and put a little piece of tape, duct tape, Gorilla Tape, something like that to hold in place, and you're golden. All right, guys, so we're done in here now. I've got the coilovers lowered, and there's about 2 or 3 threads, about 2. So showing, bring the cup back up, and then I put a piece of Gorilla Tape over it. Just, that's what's recommended, just to kind of keep that sleeve. It's really a protective sleeve, doesn't do anything. And make sure this is cinched down between the 2. There's 2 coilovers, this one, see if I can get that focus. This one here and this one here. Counter rotate them, get them tight, and here we are at the rear wheel. And I'm a big fan of what I tell my kids, which is eat the frog first. So we did the hard part. That was the front end. The back end is so much easier to get to. Look at this, just there's nothing really in the way here, so this should be smoother and easier. We just talk about the width of this wheel, and this is not even a Z06, this is a C8. I mean, that is just one mamma jamma wheel. Damn.